Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Medicaid online in Ohio. First, navigate to the Ohio Department of Medicaid's official website. Look for the Apply for Benefits or Online Application section. This portal is your gateway to submitting your application electronically. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and a few moments to gather your thoughts before starting. We'll guide you through the initial setup to make the process smooth and straightforward. Before you dive into the application, it's crucial to understand the eligibility requirements. Ohio Medicaid considers factors like household size and income. You'll need to provide personal information for everyone in your household, including names, dates of birth, and social security numbers. Have your income documentation ready, such as recent pay stubs, W-2 forms, or tax returns, to ensure a complete and accurate submission. Once you're ready, create an account or log into the Ohio Benefits portal. Carefully navigate through each section, providing accurate details about your household, income, and any assets. Be sure to answer all questions completely to avoid delays. Take your time to review every piece of information you've entered. A thorough review helps prevent errors and ensures your application is processed efficiently. After submitting your application, you can typically expect a decision within 45 days. The Ohio Department of Medicaid may contact you for additional information or documents to verify your eligibility. Be sure to respond promptly to any requests to keep your application moving forward. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. We hope this guide helps you successfully apply for Medicaid online in Ohio.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.